No.
Hi friends, welcome to Travel and Info channel. Today I am going to tell about how one can increase their height. This is mainly applicable for those in teenage. If the parents are having good height, then absolutely the children will also grow taller. But if the parents are of an average height, still one can grow taller than parents by doing daily exercises as explained in this video. Exercising during your teen can bring a crucial difference in your height. Teenage is the time when most people attain maximum height. Now let us see the exercises that will help in increasing the height. Downward facing dog. This pose resembles that of an upside down alphabet V. This exercise helps in strengthening the entire back, and to do this exercise, stand up and bend your body such that your hands are at your shoulders width apart and your feet are at hips width apart while stretching your tailbone towards the ceiling. Feel a gentle stretch in the arms, shoulders, lats and spine. Alternate leg kick. This is derived from Taekwondo, characterized by leg kicks. It helps in extending your body muscles, especially in legs, which in turn helps to increase your height. To do this exercise, stand straight on the mat in a straight posture. Stretch your body to the maximum while extending your right leg up. Keep your hands close to your chest with your fist tight. Start kicking the sky for about 30 seconds. Now repeat this process with your left leg. Hanging your body with the support of your hands does help you stretch out your muscles. Generally, people hang down a bar. If you add 2 or 3 pull-ups while hanging, it will boost your chances to increase height further. Don't have a pull-up bar? No worries, you can buy it online. Make sure your support is steady and can take your whole body weight to avoid any fall. Super Cobra Stretch. This pose resembles the cobra snake when raises its head and spreads its neck. This exercise is especially famous for stretching your abs. To do this exercise, lie with your face down on the floor with your palms pressing into the floor at shoulders height. Lift your head towards the ceiling while extending your arms to arch back as much as possible. Hopping with one leg. This is simple exercise which can be done anywhere in the course of any activity like watching TV, playing in the park, while doing any other work. This bouncing activity is beneficial for brain development, strengthening of legs, and generation of growth hormones. Standing vertical stretch. This exercise helps in toning calf muscles. To do this exercise, join both hands on top of your head and bend towards left, and also do the same on right side. Jumping and skipping. If you don't like exercising, then there are other ways of achieving your fitness goals. Jumping is one such activity which will help in increasing your height. You can either do trampoline jumping or skipping a rope or both. The more the number of times you jump, the more likely you will succeed in making your legs longer. It supports the conditioning of the muscles and joints of the lower body and improves the height of the body. Swimming. Especially if you want to escape the heat and sweat during your workout session, then swimming is the best exercise. Breaststroke is the most suitable swimming style to increase your height. Cycling is the best exercise for teens to make their legs stretch and add a few inches to their body. Basketball is one of the sports that exercises all the muscles and helps in growth. It integrates jumping, which helps in muscle growth by increasing muscle tension. It also helps in increasing focus and blood supply to various parts of the body. These stretching exercises for increasing height, if done regularly, will gradually increase your height. Please be advised, to start any form of exercise, make sure that you are capable of doing this with a proper warm-up. Also watch my video on proper diet and nutrition, which also plays a crucial role in improving the height.